Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're back with card number 2 with the Kendra's Card Challenge number 20. So you can go to kendrascardchallenges.com to download her free PDF with all the measurements, cutting directions, and everything, okay? So we're going to be making card number 2, which is this one here. I am going to be using Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper, as well as papers from the Make a Memory scrapbooking kit. And today's stamp set is Lovely Florals, all right? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. I have our Wrapped in Cheer paper pumpkin kit coming up. It's going to make 8 festive goodie boxes. Mossy Meadow is the stamping spot. Abundant Joy add-on dies are available that coordinates with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future order. Track and save your rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. And rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date, okay? Please do opt in for the rewards program because this is money going towards your future purchases. So it's like getting a discount on every purchase because you earn every time you spend $20. You get 10% of your order to go to the next order. Great deal. Starter kits are on sale. So if you want to join Stampin' Up, or you just want to get a discount, or you just want to get some free products in a starter kit, pay $35 plus tax. Your shipping will be free. You get to choose $125 worth of products, any products that you want, totaling up to $125. Or you can choose to spend $99 plus tax and get $189 worth of products. There's no difference in the starter kit. You get $90 free products with both options. It's just your choice what level you want to spend at, okay? So we would love to have you join our creative family at Stampin' Up. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included in the $35. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's get started on our project. We have one thing to stamp, and that is our sentiment. So I have some basic white here, and we're going to get some petal pink ink, and the sentiment is thanks. And we're going to stamp that, try to get it straight on our little label here. Just like that. And we will glue this down to a matting layer of crumb cake. Again, all the measurements will be in Kendra's PDF. I am doing the entire challenge, so I will be making 15 cards. I don't have a video, like an individual video for each card. Some videos I will be doing 2 cards, but like if they're really simple cards, I'll have 2 in one video. So you don't have to worry, there's not going to be 15 videos. Might be 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our insides together. I have some basic white here that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're going to adhere this down to some crumb cake that is 5 by 3 3/4, and we're just going to put this together. We have a card base of thick basic white that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I do believe I'm using basic. I'm going to be using thick basic white for all the card bases in this series of the card challenge. So we have that done. Next, I'm going to show you all of the designer series paper. This is the pieces that I'm going to be using, and this is how it's going to be laid out. So I'm going to glue these pieces down, and again, I'll be right back because you know it's going to take me a minute to get these things straight on here, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to be putting on our sentiment piece. And then we're going to get all of this put on to the card base. So hopefully everything is straight. We're gonna add this to the card base. I'm using liquid glue, my favorite adhesive. So this is sort of similar to yesterday's card, but bigger pieces. All the cards in this challenge, I love them. They're so pretty. I'm probably gonna use it more than once, these designs. Okay, so now all we have to do is add our bling to this card, and I am using the low profile dots again. And I think I will add some of the petal pink. So let me get my take your pick tool, and we're gonna add some of these. Onto our card here. Oh, I didn't pick it up. Come on. Then I'm just gonna, I wanted to put one right here. Ooh, my sentiment looks crooked. It's dry. Okay, so I think I'll just put this one. Let's put it right here. Just like that. And we'll call this card done. Isn't that cute? I love these card sketches. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.